I am a tad bit nervous purely because I have only ever watched people play this game. I have never even attempted this game. Let's get into it. Oh boy. Let's start easy at the train. I know the train really well. Okay, switch cameras, A and D. Here we go, okay. Bottle, sandwich, bottle, 1, 2, 3, 4, bag, monitors, forgot about that. No, face, fire extinguisher, safety, trash can, no bones, tray, toothbrush, hangers, teddy bear, exit, okay. I know this can change, Donuts below. Short plays only. What was that back there? Okay, outlets. Coffee shop, okay. World Smile Day, October 2nd. So a little less than a month. Toilet. Okay. Oh, I hate that there's no music. This is gonna be great. The buttons. I'm gonna... It's only 19 minutes, quote-unquote, minutes in. Oh, shoot, light anomaly. Lights. Private C. Okay. First anomaly down. Ah! I'm disappointed in myself. So much. Urbancy. How to... For some reason I thought that said how to pregnant. That is not what that said. I am so afraid for if we get an intruder. The anomalies could be different at any time. And this keeps... Ah! Duh! Piss off! Kindly! Thank you. Ah! Kindly, yes. Okay, pause. Turning down audio to a slight 50. Okay. Yep. This is the person you chose to watch. Maybe I should not be wearing a binder while talking this much. Oh. That's something. Fair. I do not make smart decisions. That's just me. Ah! Okay. It's 1 a.m. You love those bells? Honestly, it's a vibe. I can get behind it. I'm just waiting for this motherfucker to appear. Bags, bags, bags. Bottle go woo! Okay. Pillow indents. Suspicious indents. Hey, you're not supposed to be there. Button. Especially while I'm gaming. That's really freaking gross. Ah, that's a person. Hey there, buddy. Get out the sheets. Out. Those ain't your sheets. I am jamming to non-existent music to keep myself sane. Sucks to suck. Ah! There he is. Told you. There he is. Get your ass out of here. Thank you. If you think about it, every single conversation is improv. And I thought I was ready for a haunted house this year. No, sir. That's not happening. I think I'd either cry, punch someone in the face, or piss my pants. Or all three at the same time, and that would be impressive. That would take a lot of energy. Ah! Sideways chair. I caught you. You ain't slick. It's only 207. I would do all three, but not at the same time. Honestly, now I want to know if that's something I could pull off. Oh, you took my luggage. You give me back my luggage, you fiend. Have to... That sandwich is emitting light. Like, I know what a bunch of these anomalies look like. And I'm just ready for them. Whoa, man. Yeah, I know, right? I'd rather piss myself. Hey, I didn't jump that time. It's gonna go 3 times. There we go. Too political. You're right, I'm sorry. That would be awful if they moved one of these buttons. But I think I'm staying on top of the anomalies enough that if they did move those buttons, I think it would be fine. What did you say? Hi, Frank. What? What? Too many anomalies? Huh? 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 What? Huh? What? How? How are there too many anomalies? How are there too many anomalies? Are you an anomaly? What? Who? How? What? How are there anomalies? Nuh-uh. This... Ah! Imminent collision. Okay. There's no anomalies here, though? How are there that many anomalies? Moldy sandwich? Oh, for real? That's... Oh, that's a... Good eye. Good eye. That... Oh. Okay. That's 3 in a short amount of time. I think we're good now. Ah! Nope! Oh no, there's spoopy music now. There is spoopy... Open door. There's spoopy music going on now. I don't like it. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Ah! Why did I scream at the bottle? Oh no, that better have been, like, on the bottle. Okay, that works. Check the unlit exit sign. I don't know. Instant suffering! It says instant suffering! Let's go! Love that. Genuinely. Pain. But have you considered suffering? Ah! Smoke in the driver's car. Okay. They considered suffering. Let's go. Yes, Alex. I feel like I'm missing something. That's up. Jesus! I can't breathe. Oh god. Is there gonna be another anomaly before I go? Okay. Okay. I think we win. We win? We win? Yay! 27 anomalies. We're good. So, I completely forgot that I've seen that jump scare before. I have seen it. I have quite literally seen it. And I forgot it did that.